Here we are for another beautiful day of magnet fishing. Here with our leading lady, the very attractive Miss Maggie May Magnet. Here to answer the burning question on everyone's mind, and that is, what metal objects are lying on the bottom of this pond? Magnets away! I don't know. Something shiny. Oh, we found a nugget of gold. Yes, a nugget of gold. The ever famous magnet fishing find, a can lid. Peel back. Lift tab to peel back. Can't tell what it is. Maybe like peaches or pears or some kind of picnic fruit that fell out of the basket. It feels like we have something, I don't know. The thrill of victory and the agony of defeat. Something's dangling. Got a dangler, stick dangler. What do we got here? A big rock. Big metal rock of some sort. A rockety rock. A rocket ship. 'Cause I'm a rocket man. Rock and roll. I see bubbles. I don't feel anything though, but I see bubbles. Oh, we believe we have the fisherman's delight. Oh, wow. You know, it's just not every day when you go magnet fishing and you find the Confederate flag belly button stud. And I believe that's what that is. I mean, just when you think magnet fishing can't get any better, you find the Confederate flag belly button stud. That might be the find of the day right there. What else we got on here? Looks like some string. And I think that just wrapped around. I don't think that's magnetic. Alright, well, we've peeked. We might as well go home. We found the Confederate flag belly button stud. I hope it's to a belly button. Yeah, you know, I don't want to think of all the places that could have been kept, but I'm going to go with belly button. Ooh, clicky click there. We've clicked that a couple times. I think it's part of the line out to that fountain. And some more fishing line. Oh, what do we got here? I think we got a lobster. We did, we got a lobster. Yes, we sure did. Wow, it's a wind-up creature. Huh. Pretty cool. Made in China. Wonder if it works. Turns. No, he's jammed up full of mud. How about that, folks? We caught a lobster.
That's cool. Cool little toy.
And some fishing line. And some kind of small metal shard. And some more fishing line. All right. That was pretty cool.
Yeah.
Something not as cool as the Confederate flag belly button stud.
Yeah.
All right. It's the drag handle off a fishing reel. Mainly plastic, but there's a nut in the middle, a screw that's tracting. Big stick. Oh, we got ourselves some fishing line here. There's a sinker. There's the hook. That's good to get that out of the water. Grab something there. Got a little clicky click. Oh yeah, got a whole lot of clicking going on here. And we have the Fisherman's Delight. Oh yeah, a fishing hook and 2 twisty ties to bread wrappers. And I believe some kind of bottle cap. Yes, a bread wrapper twisty tie. Another bread wrapper twisty tie, a pair of them. And yeah, we got a bottle cap. Let's see if we can see what it is. It's gold. It's like Miller Genuine Draft, maybe? I don't know. Pretty cool. All right. Here we go. Oh, don't grunt on camera. I forgot. Never let them hear you grunt. I got nailed. I've been nailed magnet fishing. Fishing. Oh, we got a mystery. Definitely got a mystery here. I don't know, y'all. What do you think that is? I don't know if that goes with it or it came off. Definitely see a side with a little, maybe something off a boat. I don't know, man. Drop in comments if you have any idea what this kind of looks like, a piece of a robot. We'll rinse that off later and take another look. Come on, Maggie. Reel them in, Mags. Let's see what we got. Oh, there's something right there. It's twice we bounced over it. Wow, we got a big bolt. A big, giant bolt. Bart the bolt, lying at the bottom of the pond. Been rescued. Looks like another washer. We have a bolt and a washer. I wonder if they go together. Another twisty tie off the bread wrapper. And a little metal shaving. felt it click something. Definitely click something. Is it still on? I don't know. Feels like it. Yeah. What do we got here? It appears to be a very old wrench. Like a pipe wrench. I think the handle's broken off, but how cool is that? Drop forge. Doubt it's gonna work.
That's cool.
Whole lot of nothing. Fishing hooks and some fishing line. Broken piece of a hook. Oh, what do we got here? Oh, we got a knife and the post to a bobber. That's pretty cool. Like an old steak knife.
Didn't even see what kind of knife that was. Is that a flint?
Yeah. Found a knife. How about it? Looks like we got a little something something. Ah, the old washer. We got a find coming up here. Get a magnet fishing find. Before we found a bolt, then we found a washer. Now we found a bolt and a washer. This day just keeps getting better. It's alive! And another fishing hook. And we got some more fishing lures. Yes. Oh, that's awesome. That one's in great shape. Little spoon spinner there. And looks like a washer and a broken screw. Some more broken fishing hooks. Tiny little washer. Oh wait, there's a piece of a leader. Fishing leader. Oh, look at the top. This is a bonus. We got a bonus drop here. Another hook. And some magnetic rocks. High iron content rocks. another fishing lure. We're gonna have a whole tackle box today. Big fishing hook. That hook might have been a little too big for this pond, but it feels like it might, so you just don't know. That's the fun of magnet fishing. You just don't know. What do we got? I feel like we got something. Oh, I don't know. I think it just came off. I'm gonna hope for the best here. We could do. We got a little something, something. It'd just be a big rock, but it's something, something. Yeah, we got a big clump of mud and a tiny fishing hook. Right, something. It came off though. Last time I got nailed, this time I got, never mind. Another nail and a screw. What do we got here? Appears to be a file. Show is a saw blade, maybe? Maybe DeWalt's. I don't know, I can't read it on my glasses on. Definitely a saw blade though. Sure enough, Shoreline Search and Rescue has recovered a broken fishing lure, a piece of scrap metal, and 2 washers dropped errantly in the construction of this dock. Because it's not sticking to the magnet. We got over here some stuff, some junk, stuff. We got stuff. Oh, we got a big bolt. Biggest bolt of the day. By width, not length, but by width, the biggest bolt of the day. All right, magnet fishers. Here's our wrap up for the day. A mystery item I believe has been solved. See, it has a little clamp with the spring, and these were attached to it. Bells, I think this clamps on the end of your fishing pole, and then you're sitting there and you're napping in the sun, chilling like a villain, and a fish bites, and the pole jerks, and the bell dings. I think that's what that is. I'm not sure. Couple screws. We recovered 4 lost twist ties from sandwiches, a myriad of fishing string, a very cool old knife. Seen better days, probably not restorable. Find of the day definitely would be the Confederate flag belly button piercing. We got a handle for a fishing reel, a drag spool for a fishing reel, some fishing baits, half of a pipe wrench, a can lid, some assorted nuts, bolts, washers, nails, screws, odds and ends, various size fishing hooks, and a red, orange, plastic, wind-up child's lobster toy. All good, all fun, great, beautiful day today, and a great way to spend the day. If you haven't been magnet fishing before, check it out. Definitely fun to do. Until next time.